Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Nickel Plating Kit is probably one of the most versatile and useful tools for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and even professionals looking to enhance the look, durability, and corrosion resistance of their metal projects. Whether you're restoring antique car parts, creating custom jewelry, or simply protecting your metal creations from the elements, a high-quality nickel plating kit can make all the difference, providing a professional-looking finish that will last. Number 5. SHONAN Nickel Sheet. These high-quality nickel sheets are perfect for electroplating projects. They're made from 99.6% pure nickel for superior performance. It's an I200 standard, ensuring excellent corrosion resistance and a brilliant shine. You'll get consistent, reliable results every time. Each sheet measures 6 by 1 by 0.04 inches, with tight tolerances for accuracy. This ensures a smooth electroplating process. Electroplating with these sheets creates a protective layer that prevents oxidation and rust. It also adds a beautiful, shiny finish. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, these sheets will help you achieve a stunning, corrosion-resistant finish on your projects. They're ideal for adding a magnetic property to your work as well. We rigorously test every sheet to guarantee its purity and quality. You can trust that you're getting the best nickel sheets available. What we like. If you need a high-purity nickel sheet for your electroplating projects, this is your best choice. Its corrosion-resistant and shiny finish will protect and enhance your work. If you value quality and durability, this is the option for you. What people say. Bought these for electroplating and they were perfect. Quality and thickness were perfect. If you need to nickel plate something, these work great. I used them to restore old brass hardware on a 1922 crystal radio. I used this to nickel plate a few moped parts. When making the nickel acetate there was little to no debris left at the bottom of the container. This is usually a good sign of high purity. These work well for small batches. Number 4. GNS Bright Nickel. This electroplating solution delivers a hard, bright nickel deposit onto most metals. It's perfect for creating a beautiful, high-luster finish. It offers excellent hardness and a stunning appearance. This makes it ideal for decorative finishes. Its properties make it the most common underplate for other finishes like chrome, gold, or rhodium. It provides a strong base for your final plating. Some metals, such as zinc, stainless steel, and tungsten, need special pretreatment. Always check our guidelines for your specific metal. It's important to note that this solution is not suitable for bare aluminum. Aluminum requires a specialized industrial process. Need help? Our technical support team is here to assist you with any questions or concerns. Contact us with details about your project. With its ease of use and exceptional results, it's the perfect solution for your plating needs. Remember to use a bagged nickel anode. What we like. This solution creates a beautiful, hard, and bright nickel layer. It's perfect as an underplate for other finishes like chrome or gold, giving your projects a professional look. If you're looking for a high luster finish and excellent hardness, this is ideal for you. What people say. Few seconds in those cleaners and about 1 minute in the nickel plating solution and poof, my parts came out like a mirror. The little rough marks are from manual lathe work. These are copper parts that I mirror polished prior to plating. I stuck a piece of tape to the side and pulled it to make sure the bond was strong, and no issues at all. Really easy to use as long as you have the proper equipment. Number 3. Krohn Plating Set. This plating set offers superior quality for your projects. It's made in the USA with high-grade materials for reliable performance. This set includes both acid copper and bright nickel solutions. They are designed to work together for exceptional results. 2 anodes are included, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. They're built to last and provide consistent plating. It's manufactured right here in the USA, guaranteeing quality and supporting American jobs. You can trust in its reliability. With a generous 2-quart capacity, it's perfect for a variety of projects. It provides ample solution for your needs. Krohn is a trusted name in plating solutions. It provides professional-grade results for all your projects. What we like. Get both copper and nickel plating solutions and anodes in one convenient kit. Made in the USA, it ensures quality and reliability. If you need a complete solution for both copper and nickel plating, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The product arrived safe and sound. Packaged against spillage and rough handling. I've used this brand before, so I know I'll have a quality finish. I bought this for doing copper and nickel plating at home. You will need to purchase a DC power supply and a container. Because of EPA and other environmental regulations, many smaller plating shops have gone out of business. I bought this mainly for plating tools and restoring antiques. The small quantities of chemicals used in the home shop are exempt from regulations. Number 2. Universal Plater 2. This plating system is designed for superior results on stainless steel. It's perfect for achieving professional-looking finishes at home. It comes with everything you need to get started: gold, silver, rose gold, and nickel plating solutions, plus cleaners and activators. No need to source additional supplies. This kit delivers high-quality, professional gold plating results. Achieve that rich, 24K gold look with ease. It's great for plating various metals like copper, brass, bronze, steel, and stainless steel. Just remember to prepare the surface properly. It's important to note that it's not suitable for plating guns or materials like chrome, titanium, aluminum, or zinc. Always check compatibility before starting. With this kit, you can achieve stunning, professional quality plating results right in your own home. It's easy to use and delivers consistent results. What we like. This kit is designed for plating on stainless steel, offering multiple solutions for various finishes. The brush plating system makes it easy to use. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use system for plating on stainless steel, this is the one for you. Number 1. Caswell Plug-and Plate Kit. Get ready to experience professional-grade plating at home. This kit has everything you need to start plating your projects today. Here's the 4.5V power supply, the heart of the system. It provides the consistent power needed for even plating. Next, we have 8 ounces of our high-quality black nickel solution. It's specially formulated for superior results. This stainless steel brush plating wand ensures even distribution. The included bandage helps you maintain control and precision. We've included a detailed instruction booklet to guide you through every step of the process. Plating has never been easier. With this complete kit, you'll achieve stunning, professional-looking finishes on all your projects. Let's get started. What we like. Achieve a unique black nickel finish with this easy-to-use kit. The plug-and plate system simplifies the process. If you want a simple and effective way to get a black nickel finish, this kit is perfect for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.